Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to find out the value of x of this expression, and this video is very important for international mathematics, any kinds of competitive examination. Let's start. This algebraic expression has three fractions. 1 by 2 times 1 minus x, first one. 1 by 3 times 2 plus x, second one. 1 divide 4 times 3 minus x is a third fraction, equals to 1. This algebraic equation we try to find out the value of x. So in this case, first I have to say same math we can solve lots of way. So this math we are going to find out a LCD. So look, here is 2, here is 3 and here is 4. What is the LCM of these three numbers? 2, 3, 4. So once we divide by 2, here is 1, here is 3 and here is 2. So in prime factor, 2 times 3 is a 6, 6 times 2 is a 12. So 2, 3, 4 LCM is 12. 12 divide 2, it will be 6. So we can write 6 times 1 minus x minus 12 divide 3, it will be 4. 4 times 2 plus x plus 12 divide 4, so 3. So 3 minus x and here equals to 1. Once we multiply by 12 both sides, we will get 6 and here is 6 minus 6x minus 8 minus 4x plus 9 minus 3x equals to 12. And here we can write multiply both sides by 12. So once we multiply by 12, so this 12 and this 12 out and times 12. So here is 12. Now look, minus 6x minus 4x minus 3x. So here is 13x and should negative 13x equals to, or we can write 6 minus 8, it means minus 2 plus 9. So here is plus 7 equals to 12. Now here is minus 13x equals to 12 and these plus 7 become minus 7. So here is minus 13x equals to 12 minus 7 means 5. So once we divide both sides by minus 13x, so here is minus 13x divide minus 13x, sorry, minus 13 equals to 5 divide minus 13, right? So we can write here divide both sides by minus 13. Now so minus 13 out, x equals to minus 5 divide 13. This is our answer. Okay, so today we will try to solve another math. So first math done. Second question. Here is x divide 14 plus 3, 1 by 2 is twice minus 2 times x divide 21 plus 1, 2 by 3. Second question, here is x divide 14 plus 3, 1 by 2 is twice x divide 21 plus 1, 2 by 3. And here is also we will find out the value of x. So this one, once we make two algebraic equation, we have to know what are saying here. Look, here is saying is twice. It means this expression x divide 14 plus this one we can write 3 times 2 plus 1. This is a mixed fraction. We will make it improper fraction. So 7 divide 2 equals to, here is saying 2 twice, it means 2 times x divide 21 plus, here is also same another mixed fraction, we will make improper fraction, 3 times 1 plus 2, it will be 5 divide 3, right? Now look, here is also some fraction. So in this case we will write, here is 14 and 2, the LCD is 14, so we can write here is x plus what, 14 divide 2, it will be 7, and 7 times 7 it will be 49. And here 2, once we multiply this one with this fraction, so it will become 2x divide 21 plus 2 times 5 is a 10 divide 3. So here x plus 49 divide 14 equals to 21 and 3, the LCM is 21, so here is 2x plus 21 divide 7, 21 divide 3, it will be 7, 7 times 10 means 70, right? Then we can divide both sides by 7 because here is 14 and here is 21 and both are divisible by 7. So we can write like this, what, x plus 49 divide 2, and here is 2x plus 7 divide, here is 21 divide 7, it means 3, right? And we can write here multiply both sides by 7. Look, once we multiply both sides by 7, so 14 divide 7 it will be 2, 21 divide 7 it will be 3. So we are writing like this. Now cross multiplication, so 3x plus 49 and 2x plus 70, and here is 3x plus 3 times 9 is a 27, so 7, 3 times 4 is a 12, 12 plus 2 is a what, 14, and here is 4x plus 140. Now look, 3x and this 4x become minus 4x equals to 140, and 147 become minus 147. So here is minus x equals to 140 minus 147, it will be 7. So x equals to 7, and this is our answer. So very easy but very important for any kinds of international standard competitive examination like grade 10, IGCSE, O-level, CBSE and SSC. Thank you very much being with me. Try to find out the solution at home and keep more and more practice at home. If you think this video are okay for you and helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.